If we go straight down that way, we can go this. We can walk that way, or we can walk this way too. So we're gonna walk this way, and they have all the casino buses. So I could go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So I could take almost any bus, but I think I'm gonna try to take one of these. So we're just gonna see which one I want to take. And I basically have no fixed destination. I'm just gonna try to make my way to Taipa, so it doesn't really matter too much. Altira could work, Parisian would be okay too. Venetian. Once I see the one that I want, I'll just jump on that one. Galaxy. So basically all of these are free, and they'll take you to wherever you want to go. Star World, you could take that one. Let's walk all the way down, Studio City. Most of these all go to Cotai. I think Star World is the one that doesn't. And I think Star World is the one I want to take. So let's take this. Star World. So we'll take this one. Okay. Tyler. Okay, so we're gonna take one of these buses, and I'm just gonna film on this side. I actually was gonna go take another bus, but it's kind of near the racetrack, so I decided to change it and take something different. I was thinking of maybe the Parisian. You see, this one is the Galaxy Macau, Altira, and we have a bunch of buses over there too, so we're just going to follow it around. Pont 16, this is on the Macau side. It would actually be good. It's good space for walking around actually. If you're going to take a bus and explore a little bit, the Pont 16 is great. We'll just see what else is here. Kind of surprised the Venetian is all the way down here. Huh. Actually, let's see what all is down here. It looks like this is more like parking more than anything. I don't know. I guess this goes in a whole big circle. I thought this would have been more prioritized so that certain ones would be closer. I don't know, maybe they are. Grand Lisboa. There's a Parisian. Okay. So yeah, all of these are free. And I think I'm just gonna take the Parisian, I think. Kinda want to get to the I guess you could go in a big circle. And I think we're gonna take this one. Okay, I'm gonna film this. This is all new. This little walkway right there. Looks like it ends right there. Actually, that was going for a little bit, but it looks like it ended. And across the way is it goes to Hong Kong via the bridge. Looks like quite a few people are out in space though. And to the right is a racetrack, which the Grand Prix just finished, so that would have, I think you can see it, all those little spaces over there. So we're going to be taking a bridge in a minute. So we're going over the bridge, and I don't know if you can see that, but there's an airplane right there. So the airplane's going over the bridge, which goes to Hong Kong, and the plane is an airport that's basically over there, which is hard to see. But basically, Macau's quite small, so that's an international airport. as everything would be international from that airport anyways. But a lot of those flights go to China, Thailand, Malaysia, Taiwan. And if you can see all this land right there, all of that is built quite recently. So they're going to put, I think, apartments or something like that. Just kind of reclaim more land, and they're going to put some stuff on top of it. So we're seeing, you know, it looks like some of that growth is starting to grow out already. It's been there just long enough to start to grow weeds or little trees, even, it looks like. It'd be interesting to try to see if I could walk out in there, if it's even possible. And those islands way over in the distance, that would be going towards Hong Kong. So I think that those are probably part of Hong Kong, but they're probably, nobody would be on them, I guess. That's the bridge. Nice sunset. Really nice sunset. Okay, so this is basically the bridge going into Taipei. There's the sunset right there. You can see the sunset, and then there's the Macau Tower, the skyline. Over there is all Zhuhai. Nice sunset. There's some boats coming in. We're going to be going underneath our bridge, and there's 3 bridges here. And over there is the airport right there. Okay, this is the Parisian. And that's the casino right over there. And the Parisian has Parisian-like statues. And let me just see where we are here. I think this is just a lobby. Main rooms, hotel main lobby. I'm not sure. Let's go up a little bit. Go up to the shops. Okay, so now we're going down to the ground floor, so we're going to go right into this big cool thing. So let's just see. So here we go. This is the ground lobby. This is the one that's probably everybody films. Actually, I assume it seems like I film it, but I don't know if I've put it on YouTube before. But it's quite a sight in some ways. It is quite visual, actually. But I could use my zoom camera to zoom in on all the details, but I think you have a pretty good sense of it. And also the lobby too. So we're just gonna walk around it a little bit, and then we're gonna walk out. And outside is big Eiffel Tower. And the Eiffel Tower, I think people will go up there. I think tourists will go up there. I haven't been up there yet. I don't have a plan to go up there, actually. There's lots of places to see things from up above, so I don't feel like I need to go into that particular one. Chandelier up there. We're just gonna... Oh, the Parisian bus also comes right here too. Okay. It's good to know. I just took the bus from the ferry terminal. Hello. So right there is the Eiffel Tower, and you can see some other buildings in the background. Once we get up here a little bit, there'll be a different, better angle of it. Venetian is straight ahead. We're gonna walk by the Venetian next anyways. Taxis. So, okay. You're gonna be able to see it in a second. Yeah, nice fans actually. Those fans look really great. Now you can see it. Just take a look real quick. So yeah, actually, I don't know. Okay, there's a walkway, so you can take that walkway across. I see some tourists going up it right now. And then I guess there's an elevator. Yeah, there's elevators that go up to the top. So, okay. So yeah, that's the Parisian.